So earlier this week, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly just appointed her fourth justice to the Kansas Supreme Court. That's right, four. That's out of seven. Kansas Supreme Court has seven justices, and she's appointed four of them so far. And how did she do it? Not by asking Kansas voters, not by an election. There was just a panel of lawyers and insiders who gave her a short list from which she could choose. That's how it works in Kansas. Voters have absolutely no say in who is appointed to the state Supreme Court. It's just a group of lawyers who get together. They give the governor a list of two or three candidates, and then the governor can just, choose whoever they want. Now, there's a ballot on the measure. There's a ballot measure coming up to change that. And guess who's opposing it? I'll give you a hint. Governor Laura Kelly is a Democrat. And most of the Supreme Court justices in Kansas have been appointed by Democrats. So guess who's opposing it? Democrats. See, here's the thing. Most of the court was picked by Democratic governors. This is not a nonpartisan thing. This is what you call a political monopoly. Say it with me now. A political monopoly where partisan forces, where it's not supposed to be partisan, can push their agenda in this way. So now Democrats are fighting a new ballot measure that should let the people of Kansas vote for their own Supreme Court justices. See, here's the thing. The Kansas Supreme Court has the most decisions that have been later overturned than in any other state in the country. So remind me, why shouldn't Kansas voters have a say? Well, I don't see any reason why they shouldn't. So again, hopefully the Kansas residents will show up at the polls to vote for this ballot measure, because that is the only way that they will have control over this process.